24-inch bit. There's no way in hell I was ever going to dig that by hand. But pay the man the money, get the holes dug properly. 4 foot deep, 24 inches round. Particularly massively over-spec'd and stupid code, just because my area apparently has a little bit of a higher water table. But whatever. It's like driving 8 piles into the floor. But it's what I have to do to get my government certified job permit done. So best to pay the man to do the job properly. And the problem is I've got to fill all the holes back in once I'm done. But hey ho. So one job I didn't have to do. That's one bit. There you go, Dad. Easy peasy. Just pay somebody else 85 bucks an hour to do it.